Goat Robot, the ultimate terrain shapeshifter. Meet the Goat, not the greatest of all time, but good over all terrain. The Swiss-made robot developed by researchers at EPFL adapts its shapes on the fly to handle different landscapes. Its design is simple but smart, a lightweight ring-like frame with 4 spoke wheels and a central control module. On smooth ground it stretches out for speed, when the terrain gets rough it stabilises, and when facing a steep descent it curls up in a ball and rolls downhill, saving energy in the process. Unlike many robots, Goat doesn't rely on cameras. Instead it uses sensors to detect terrain changes, making it lighter, more efficient and less reliant on complex processes. In tests, Goat successfully navigated mountains, water and urban environments, outperforming traditional robots in versatility and efficiency. Future versions can be used for search and rescue, environmental monitoring and even planetary exploration. With its ability to adapt to almost any terrain, the Goat might just live up to its name after all. And that's your robot news update for today. Don't forget to join me on my weekly live Robot Optimised workshop if you're interested in learning more about robotics and the latest trends for business. Also make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy and I'll see you next time.